Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be brewing espresso coffee using the Bialetti Venus Moka Pot. The Bialetti Venus is a quality-built, full stainless steel stovetop espresso maker. Now, being stainless steel means it can be used on any stovetop, so it's compatible with induction stovetops as well as ceramic, gas and electrical. The Venus comes in a few sizes from 2 cups up to 10, and today we're going to be making coffee using the most common 4-cup method. So let's get brewing using the Bialetti Venus Moka Pot. To begin, using the right amount of coffee, fill your basket to measure your beans out. You'll never have any left over. But in weighing your coffee out in the basket, it holds approximately 22 grams of beans. Now you want to grind your coffee to a fine grind, as this will make espressos that are rich and full-bodied. Place the grounds in the basket and gently flatten that down with the back of a spoon. Next, I'll fill up my heating vessel with water to just below the pressure valve inside, which is around 250 mils of water. And it's best to use heated water to fill this vessel, as this will speed up the whole brew time and make your coffee less bitter. Place the filter basket into the water chamber, ensuring the surface around the rim is free of any grinds, as we want to make sure when we screw down the top coffee collector to the top of the heating vessel, it's a nice tight seal. And then place it on the stove on a medium heat. You don't want your water to boil too fast, as this will again produce a bitter coffee. So I'm aiming for a heat that lets the pressure gradually rise, and then the water will slowly percolate through the bed of coffee. It should take a total time of 4 to 5 minutes to finish brewing. And it will start off slow and speed up at the end, and you'll know when it's done as the water will begin spurting out the top. And you don't want to leave it on the stove here for too long, so turn off your heat, remove your brewer to serve straight away into your cups. I'll enjoy my coffee straight black, but they are the perfect strength to add some milk for a delicious flat white or cappuccino. In cleaning the unit, you do want to wait for it to cool down. Rinsing it under some cold water can speed this process up, but once it is cool, unscrew the top, remove the filter basket and tap out the grinds. So long as everything is cold, I find blowing on the end of the funnel gets those grinds out quite easily. Rinsing everything underwater, it's really important to keep everything thoroughly dry before placing it back together. And that's the Bialetti Venus Moka Pot for you. It's a fantastic coffee maker that works on any cooktops and makes a strong espresso-like brew. You won't ever need to leave the house for coffee again. If you have any questions on the Bialetti Venus Moka Pot, then throw them in the comments section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen so you can keep notified when we bring out new videos just like this one every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.